This has got the Fix-It guy with a gas dryer that isn't drying well. This is a Whirlpool Series 80 gas dryer, and it had multiple things going on with it that was causing it to not dry well. One of them was that this rubber gasket that goes on the door that helps seal the door and the frame was leaking. So just going to put some contact cement on the back of it, and then we're going to let it get tacky, and then we'll reapply this gasket to the dryer door. And then when you close the door, it creates a tighter seal, and the heat that's produced by the dryer cannot escape. So we put the contact cement on, and then we go ahead and put that on tightly, and that sealed the door. And then in the back, I noticed that the vent tube was actually longer than it needed to be. It was going through a lot of different turns, and every time that there's a 90-degree turn, you're limiting the airflow quite a bit. So in this case, I just cut this tube shorter and created only one 90-degree turn. So that really helped. Sometimes when you have a dryer that's not performing, there's multiple things going on. So I made sure it was unplugged. I removed the gas tube and then I cut it, and now it's much shorter, and that made a big difference. And when you put the dryer back toward the wall, just check it and make sure that it's not being crushed or crimped, because that can also create a problem where your dryer doesn't heat very well, doesn't dry the clothing, and sometimes it even will blow the thermal fuse on the back because the hot air is not able to escape and the dryer overheats. So we're going to plug it back in and give it a try. So we're setting it for time dry is probably the best way to test it. And we'll turn it on. Another thing you could check too is when you go out back, you can feel how much airflow there is coming out of the dryer vent. It should feel like a hair dryer. Sometimes you'll find that this part of the tube has some obstruction you can clear. So now the dryer performed really well. Hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.